this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Roblox in Microsoft Store not working in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From desktop, click on search and search for installed apps. Here in the search bar, you have to search for Roblox. Then click on these three horizontal dots in front of Roblox and then click on advanced options. Here just scroll down and in reset click on repair. Wait few moments for its repairing process. Then click on reset again. Wait few moments, then close this window and check have your problem been solved or not. If it's not, then press Window plus R key and here type wsreset.exe. Then click on OK. Now here in the search bar type Roblox and hit enter. Then click on Roblox Windows and then click on play. If it's still not working, then try signing out your Microsoft account and again signing in and then try to play Roblox. If problem is still there, then again from desktop click on search and type install apps and here search for Roblox. Then click on these three dots in front of Roblox. Then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall. Now again go to Microsoft Store. Now here install will be showing in place of playing. Click on install and then wait for its installation. Then click on play and check. Now your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Roblox in Microsoft Store not working in just few easy steps.